Hello everyone, welcome to MS Aptiv webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to configure message moderation using Mailflow rule in Exchange 2019. In the last video, we have seen the steps to set up message moderation for dynamic distribution group. This time, we will use Mailflow rule to define the criteria for message moderation. Using the Mailflow rule, we can specify message criteria including text patterns, senders, and the recipients. Message moderation is a process that requires that messages matching specific criteria are approved before delivery to the recipient. In this guide, we will use Exchange Admin Center to create a Mailflow rule to define message moderation criteria. First, let's click on Internet Explorer to access Exchange Admin Center. Type in URL https://localhost/ECP and press Enter key. Click on More Information and click on Go on to the web page. Let's sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center, we need to click on Mailflow section. And then we need to click on Rules tab. To create a new rule, we need to click on this plus icon. From the list, we need to select the second last option, Send messages to a moderator. In this example, we want to create a new rule that defines all the messages sent out by our user Rakesh Jardos to recipients outside the organization requires approval of our user Bharat Sharma. So let's define the rule as per our requirement. First, I'm going to specify the name, which is moderate outside mail from Rakesh Jardos. Click on drop-down button under Apply this rule if condition. Let's click on this button and select the sender is. From the list, we need to select the user. In our case, it is going to be Rakesh Jardos. Let's select Rakesh Jardos. Click on Add and click on OK. So we have defined the condition. The sender is Rakesh Jardos. Let's click on More Options to define another condition. Let's click on Add Condition. And it is going to be Add. Let's again click on this drop-down button and select the recipient. Is external or internal? From the drop-down button, I'm going to select outside the organization. Fine. Let's click on OK. So we have defined the condition. Till now, if the sender is Rakesh Jardos and the recipient is located outside the organization. Under Do the following, we need to click on this drop-down button and we need to select Forward the message for approval. And here we have two options to these people and you can select to the sender's manager. In this example, I'm going to select to these people. And from the list, I'm going to select Bharat Sharma. Okay. Click on Add and click on OK. So our full condition is if the sender is Rakesh Jardos and recipient is located outside the organization, forward the message for approval to Bharat Sharma. And suppose if you want to add exception, that time you simply need to click on this link to define the exception rule as well. Now let's click on Save to save the changes. So we have successfully created one new Mailflow rule that defines the criteria for message moderation. And according to this rule, all the messages sent out by our user Rakesh Jardos to recipients outside the organization requires Bharat Sharma's approval. To test this, let's access Outlook on the web. And for that, I'm going to click on Google Chrome. Type in URL https://mail.msaptivwebcast.com/over. Let's sign in as an user Rakesh Jardos. Let's select the time zone and click on Save. Let's compose a new mail by clicking on this new button. Let's click on Send button to send the message. Let's sign out from the Outlook on the web. And now the moderator, in our case Bharat Sharma, will receive an email with a request to approve or reject the message from our user Rakesh Jardos. Let's sign in as an Bharat Sharma. And in the Outlook on the web, we can see the message from our user Rakesh Jardos. Let's click on it. You can see your decision is requested. Rakesh Jardos has asked you to approve the attached message for the delivery to ajaypatel@gmail.com. The preview of a mail message. It is sent by Rakesh Jardos to ajay.patel@gmail.com. This is the subject and this is the content. Here we can see approve and reject button. If you want to approve the message, and if you approve this message, after that this message will be sent to this user ajay.patel@gmail.com. And if you want to reject this message, you simply need to click on this reject button. In this demo, I'm going to reject this message, and that's why I'm going to click on this reject button. And let's select send the response now. Remember, in the production environment, you will send the meaningful reason to the sender that why you are rejecting the message. Let's sign out from the Bharat Sharma and let's again sign in as Rakesh Jardos. Here we can see the message from Microsoft Exchange that your message was rejected by moderator. So in this way, we can configure message moderation settings for specific user using Mailflow rule in Exchange 2019. That's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.